Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to finish my plenary works with you. I have 3 plein paintings that need to be finished. It's necessary to prepare these pictures for work before I'll begin to finish drawing them. The first 2 pieces weren't painted that long ago, but it's still a few weeks since the last strokes. That's why I have to prepare them. The other work has been lying for a long time. Unfortunately, I forgot about it and didn't finish it, but it can also be corrected by preparing it for drawing. So let's do it! Alcohol or turpentine can be used for this. I'll be wiping with white spirit. The second step in the preparation of the paintings is to create an adhesion for the paint layers to adhere. Adhesion helps prevent defects such as chipping, chalking and shrinkage of paint, dents and surface undulations. This is done by using dense oil or dense oil based Interlayer varnish. I use a mixture of dense oil, varnish and plein. I remove the excess substance with a cloth. Then I leave the paintings in this condition to allow the substance to take effect and the surface to acquire the properties required for painting. This requires around 15 or 20 minutes. Now we can get to work. In the case of these 2 miniatures, there are some blank spots present. I would like to add some details in the separate parts. And I also wanted to make the paintings more vivid and complete. First of all, the sky in these works need to be renewed. At the same time, I add some light to the clouds. I also want to highlight the trees, so I'm working on the details. In particular, a detail over the trunk and leaves. The foreground requires special attention. The work now is freshened up and can dry before being varnished. The second picture requires a more careful work. In some places only the first layer of work is present here. I started working from the tree, but didn't have time to finish everything, including the detailing of the tree itself. But this can be remedied and the work can be finished. First, it's necessary to start with the sky. There is only the first layer of paint. It's an imprimatur to make the sky look more natural and not so cold. So it needs to be covered with natural colors of the sky, then the bottom layer will shine through, removing the excessive blueness. Next, I work with foliage and make the sky gaps consistent with the color of the final sky. Then I draw a grass and freshen up the background a bit. That's the result I got. I hope you liked the result and that it was useful for your interlayer painting and finishing of old paintings. Thank you for your attention and see you!